ECE Lab, that is Analog Electronic Circuits Lab, and EDC Lab, that is Electronic Devices and Components Lab, are considered as one of the most important laboratories in the ECE department, that is SMIT. In this particular lab, starting from basic experiments like diode to its diode applications is covered in EDC Lab, as well as experiments like transistors applications and ICs or op-amps or 555 timers experiments are also being executed in ECE Lab. Generally, EDC Lab is conducted in the third semester, and ECE Lab is being conducted in the fourth semester for the departmental students. Basically, this lab has various major equipments like digital storage oscilloscopes, 100 MHz function generator, 9-in-1 test equipments, and dual input regulated power supplies. Apart from executing the experiments, students get the flavor of implementing their experiments in the hardware approach as well, mainly in implementing in breadboards and Vero boards. Apart from hardware approach, they also get to learn to design any electronic circuits, especially in a simulator, that is PSpice simulator, which is also known as multisim.
Hello, welcome to our VLSI Lab. This is an unique lab in ECE department. This lab is basically dedicated for BTech student, MTech student and PhD student. This lab is highly equipped with different modern software and hardware like Xilinx, Vivado and Metnographics. One of the most important part of this lab is to all the experiments here related with the industry. So after completion of this lab, the students can go for different VLSI and embedded system domain company like ST Semiconductor, National Semiconductor and many more.
Welcome to the Microwave Lab. It is a part of 7th semester ECE curriculum. In this lab, student used to have hands-on experiment on microwave devices, circuit, antenna design and antenna fabrication. Here student used to have the i3D platform from antenna simulator. Here student also used to develop the filter design. Now in this lab, student used to have different microwave devices such as klystron, isolator, circulator, attenuator, frequency meter, and more importantly in this lab student used to have an hands-on experience on the working with vector network analyzer.
So welcoming all in Advanced Communication Laboratory. So this lab is a subject curriculum of ECE 7th Sem. In this lab, students comes to know about various communication techniques like video transmission, audio transmission. We are emulating our own satellite transponder also in this lab, and this lab finds its application in communication industries like Ericsson, in PSUs like DRDO, ISRO and etc. So in this lab, we have various equipments as well. We have a spectrum analyzer. In this spectrum analyzer, we used to analyze the signal whenever it was received from the raw channel. We have a advanced CRO. Now here we have a digital storage oscilloscope where we can see our signals which are received. So in this series, we would like to show an experiment of emulation of DTH. Here we have our own local transponder. We have our own local transponder from where we are transmitting our signal. Signal transmission is taking place using this transmitting antenna. So now at the receiver end, it is more interesting to note that we are transmitting a signal from our own local transponder and we are receiving the same signal using the commercial available set-top box. Now here the set-top box is connected with this transmitting horn antenna, and we can see our signal received in the television screen. So in this way what we can do is we can transmit our own video signal, we can transmit our own audio signal, we can make our own local satellite station as well.